Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Kids Box 4, Unit 4, Lesson 17, After School Club.
Welcome to Kids Box 4, designed for 4th grade level. Open up to Pupils Book, Unit 4, After School Club.
Pupils Book, page 40. 14. Stella's Phonics.
Hi, I'm Stella. Repeat after me. Played. Kicked. Id, needed. Yesterday, Sam and Pam played football. Yesterday, Sam and Pam played football. Sam got the ball and kicked it to Pam. Sam got the ball and kicked it to Pam. Oh no! They needed that goal. Oh no! They needed that goal. Yesterday, Sam and Pam played football. Sam got the ball and kicked it to Pam. Oh no! They needed that goal.
Lock and key, from the detective agency. We can find it wherever it may be. We are Lock and Key. Go! Hello, Peter. Oh. What are you doing here?
I've got 2 tickets for my school show on Wednesday. Would you like to come?
Yes, please, Peter. Which show are you doing?
We're doing Peter Pan. Pupils and parents are in it.
Oh. We're over there in the 5th row. Can you go and get us some drinks, Key? No problem, Lock. 2 lemonades. Oh, this is great. Look at him, Key. It's Nick Motors. Oh.
I crossed the sea and sailed to Neverland to catch you, Peter Pan.
Come down here, you pirates! I know who you are.
Ow!
Oops!
My beard! That hurts.
Dad, this is Mr. Luck. Mr. Luck, this is my dad.
Activity Book, page 40. 9. Write. Listen, check, and say.
D. Called. Sailed. Rained. Snowed. stopped, kicked, helped, danced, id, started, invited, wanted, decided.
Activity book, page 40, section 9. Write, listen, check, and say. D as played. T as in walked. ID as in needed. So let's go ahead and go through the words in the box to pronounce them correctly. Called, started, sailed, stopped, kicked, invited, rained, wanted, helped, danced, snowed, decided. Let's go through it one more time. Called, started, sailed, stopped, kicked, invited, rained, wanted, helped, danced, snowed, decided. So now go ahead and fill each column with the correct word. Section 10. Choose the right answers and complete the text. Number 1 is done as an example. On Wednesday, Alex phoned me. He invited to go to his house. So on number 2, is it us, we, or our? He invited us, he invited we, or he invited our to go to his house. Go ahead and place the correct one, the best fit. Activity book, page 41. Do you remember? First, how do you spell first? F-I-R-S-T. Second, how do you spell second? S-E-C-O-N-D. Second. So go ahead and go through 1 through 20, placement value. And don't forget, can-do statements. I can say the numbers 1st to 20th correctly. Tell me how you feel, comfortable or not. I can talk about things I did yesterday. I can ask questions about last week. Go ahead, tell me how you feel about those sentences.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.